Hello students, how are you all?
Hello, ma'am. We all are fine.
Good to hear that you all are fine. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is another classification of evaluation. And this classification of evaluation is based on the mode of response. On the mode of response, the evaluation can be categorized into four categories, that is oral and written, selection and supply.
Thank you, ma'am. This is the topic that we want to study.
Let's discuss the first category of evaluation, and this category is oral and written. To know the real knowledge of student class, the teacher evaluates students orally. Mostly oral evaluation is done at the lower level of education like pre-primary or the primary level. As small kids are unable to write properly, that's why the teachers are evaluating this level of students orally. But oral evaluation are not much reliable due to subjectivity of evaluator.
Thank you, ma'am, but interview is also a mode of oral evaluation. Isn't it?
Yes, dear, you are right. In fact, in many examinations, students are evaluated on the basis of oral performance in any interview. The another category is written evaluation. Written evaluation is often used in scientific studies. The written evaluation methods are fully like a standardized test. Therefore, its conclusions are more reliable and objective in comparison to oral evaluation. In fact, in the field of psychology, mostly evaluation is done in the written format.
So, ma'am, we can say that written evaluation is better than oral evaluation in higher studies.
Yes, Lizzie, you got my point. At higher level, written evaluation is better option in comparison to oral evaluation. But for the small kids, or we can say at the primary or the pre-primary level, oral evaluation is better in comparison to written evaluation. Dear students, the another category of evaluation on the base of mode of response is selection and supply. To assess the knowledge of student, the students are evaluated by selection and supply questions. These answers are limited. For selection, there are many options and students have to select the right one. In these tests, students have to answer more questions in limited time. Selection related questions are objective type questions in that only one answer is correct. By these methods, the teacher evaluates students very easily and measure the scores fastly as well. So the students, today we have discussed the classification of evaluation on the basis of mode of response, and four categories are discussed here: oral and written, selection and supply. If any one of you have any doubt regarding the topic that today we have discussed, you can ask any question.
Thank you, ma'am. You explain ever very nicely. But my question is, how any teacher do written evaluation?
Very good question, Lizzie. A teacher can do written evaluation by different methods like essay type examination, short answers type examination, or the objective type examination. We will discuss these terms and the concepts in the next unit or in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your lucid description.
Okay, students, have blessed day ahead and keep studying. Thank you, students.